In this part, we are going to do the post request such that the user can post the new items. And we already have the page of add items. And there is a form here. But there is something that we need to add in order to make the post request work. And first, here at the form, we have to add the actions. And we are going to go to the items endpoint. And we are going to use the method of post. And we also already named this as name, this input field, and the other is the price. So later we can use this to get the values of this input field. Now we go to the app.js. And here we add the app.post. And then we go to the items, and which is the same as the actions here. Now we go to the put the request and response here. But first we have to add the express middleware. And underneath the app, we use app.use express.url encode, and we pass the extent is equal to true. And this is the built-in middleware functions in Express, and it passes the incoming request with URL encoded payloads, and this is based on the body parser. So now we can try to console.log the request.body. So at here we type console.log request.body and see what happened. Now we go to add items, and if we type some item here and press add item, now you can see there is an object name apple and price is equal to these numbers. And if we comment this middleware and now we try again and press add items, you can see this is undefined. And you will also see there is some JavaScript problem here, and we will fix this later. Now we can back to the post request. After we already get the items, we are going to create the items with using the model, and we pass the request.body here. And because this is the same as the model, we need the name and also the price, and it already gave us these two properties. And first we need to uncomment this. After we create the new item, we can use item.save, and since this is promise based, we can use .then, and then after it already saved, we want to redirect to the home page, and which is the items, and then .catch. So now we try to add items again. We try to add a phone, and the price is 1000, and then we add items, and we should go to the path of get items rather than items. We should redirect to get items. So we replace this and save again. We can try to delete the whole collections, and then we add items, and then add phone and 1000, and then press add items. Now you can see it have the phone with $1,000 is added to the page, and if you go to the MongoDB and press refresh, you can also see the phone is stored here. Now we add another items, for example computer, and we place 2000, and then we press add items. Now it also shown in the home page and also stored inside the MongoDB.